If you're a driver in the county of Hampshire, you need to know about P.E.T.S, Portsmouth and Petersfield Exhaust and Tyre Service. For years, they've offered outstanding service in all aspects of keeping vehicles running safely and to optimal performance levels, and they're ready to do the same for you. The P.E.T.S teams have an encyclopedic knowledge of all things motoring, and they can take care of virtually anything. From all things tyres, to servicing, batteries, brakes, MOTs, exhausts, oil replacement, air conditioning, and a whole lot more. All with the ultimate in honesty and integrity, together with superb prices and special offers scattered around too. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to this happy customer.
They're always a great friendly team, always ready to give a great service, so that's why I'm choosing P.E.T.S. Local, very convenient, nice friendly service.
Ah, another P.E.T.S lover. Don't hesitate. If you have a problem with your vehicle, call now.